Regarding the question about code references for removing old unused wiring during a building renovation, I can provide some information based on the National Electrical Code, specifically the 2020 version. While the 2020 NEC does not include specific requirements mandating the removal of unused wiring during renovations, it does address the modification of overcurrent protection when conductors are removed from circuits. Chapter 6, Wiring Methods and Materials, contains information about electrical wires. Article 680, Overcurrent Protection, and Section 680.40c state that where conductors are removed from circuits and not replaced, the overcurrent devices protecting the circuit shall be adjusted to provide protection for the remaining conductors. This means that if you remove some wires from a circuit, you must ensure that the circuit breaker or fuse is appropriately sized for the remaining wires to prevent overloading and potential hazards. It is generally considered a good practice to remove old and unused wiring during renovations. This practice helps prevent potential electrical hazards and improves the safety and efficiency of the electrical system. Removing abandoned wiring reduces the risk of accidental energization, short circuits, and potential fire hazards. Although the 2020 NEC doesn't explicitly demand removal, adhering to best practices and safety standards strongly suggests doing so. In summary, although there is no direct mandate for removing unused wiring in the 2020 National Electrical Code, the requirement to adjust overcurrent protection when conductors are removed implies a need to manage and address unused wiring. Furthermore, removing unused wiring is a generally recommended safety practice to improve electrical system safety and efficiency during renovations. Remember that electrical codes and best practices are continuously updated, so it's always advisable to consult the most current edition of the National Electrical Code, local electrical codes, and qualified electrical professionals for the most accurate and up-to-date information for your specific project.